guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Guy Reports, and I'm here this hour to share something or to react on a post made by Akparawa. So, but I want you to make sure you like the video and, of course, subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. This platform is for all of us, so subscribe. And we are here to throw more light on what is happening around us and to set the record straight. Like this one. This video is just because of the post Akparawa made. Remember yesterday we had a program together with the other media, personnel. We gathered together to kind of have fun yesterday, to throw more light on the 30th of May, which is coming this month, end of the month, which is the Hero and Heroes Day, different heroes and heroes day. It's a day that Biafra remember their heroes and those that have done something that is, worth emulating, that have done something that sacrificed themselves or sacrificed something for freedom of our people. Now, during that program, we played a jingle, and that jingle that we played triggers Akparawa. He's now trying to twist it that we are promoting his brand, that is Ogenkere brand, because it's not a government, it's a brand. It's just a brand of criminality, a brand of falsehood. We are not above mistake. Nobody's above mistake. And after the program, during that yesterday, when we played that, when our host played the video, which is our sister, our lovely sister, our lovely mommy, Ada Simon, I was like, okay, where this is coming from and all that. I was kind of questioning where this video is coming from. And it happened that the video is not from her. Okay? When you create a WhatsApp group, both the dead and the living will join. What do I mean by that? People who hate you will join you in your WhatsApp group. When they joined, it is your duty to manage your WhatsApp group, but you don't have access to see their inner being, like their innermost being, to know how they feel and what their intent is. Their intention. What is that in preparing them? What is that that prepared them to join you? Some join you to monitor you. Some join you to know how you are faring. Some join you to bring you down. This channel you are seeing here, a lot of enemies watching the video. People who don't believe in Guy Reports, people who want to drag me down, people who want to shut me up and all that. But the truth of the matter is that I am not here to promote crime. I'm not here to support any criminality. I'm not here to advocate for anybody to go and commit any crime. What am I doing here? I'm here to expose lies and bring truth to you. And this truth that I bring it to you does not mean that I'm forcing it on you. You still have a chance to accept it or to reject it. Okay? I'm going to play you that part of the program, the one that Akparawa have caught, and he's running propaganda with that video. So watch this video. This is Akparawa here. Okay, yesterday, like I told you, independent media, coming together to have a program to throw more light on what is to come, to discuss about these heroes and heroes day and all that. So Akparawa called that part of where they play the jingle that come from them. Truly, that jingle is for Ogenkere group. But like I told you, nobody's above mistake. Somebody that joined the WhatsApp group for USB, drop that video, drop the jingle in the platform. Then one of our people, who also is in the media, take that video and give it for that video to be played, that jingle, simply because he fell in love in the jingle that has to do with Biafra or has to do with, that kind of thing, without knowing that people who made this jingle are not for anything decent. These are a gang of criminals. These are liars and deceivers. And I will tell you why I say so. Akparawa is a well-known supporter of evil. He said, "No be juju be this. Run when Satan starts advertising the work of God, mocking God. That what Ogenkere is doing now is a mock of God. God is known for decency and truthfulness. God is known for, anything genuine and sincerity. That's what God represents, not what you guys are doing now. And I will tell you why I say so. Because Ogenkere made you as his second in command or whatever you are now. But guess what? God is not in support of Ogenkere. Forging document and lying. God is not in support of Ogenkere. Hijacking people's money and run away without giving any account or whatsoever. Initially, when they asked him, why can't you come and explain to us how this money belongs to you? He said that you are not Simon Ekpa. That why don't you ask Simon? So Akparawa, you said that. Why don't people ask Simon Ekpa? Why don't people ask Ogekere to give account when Simon Ekpa was here and all that? You were giving these excuses because to you love PM Simon Ekpa and nobody should question the account until he comes out. But today, you have relegated his name to trash bin. You don't even call him, and what he is, PM. You are not calling him Mr. You the same use on Akparawa when you are reading the memo that you guys did out. You said that someone, the Prime Minister, need to give you account of certain things that has happened. That he is a saboteur. He is sabotaging. Remember the memo that you guys brought out. Now you have the audacity to equate yourself with God after committing all this crime. Now, this is the part of the program that you had yesterday. And here he's calling himself names and all that. Watch and listen to what he said.
And then we come back and
start from here.
Any platform this when I watch it, just share this program for us, like it, subscribe. Open a chat up your first time in our join here. Subscribe and turn on turn on so that any of us will be alive, a man in our life. Okay? Thank you, dear friends. Because let me know. So let us play some jingles and then we come back and then we close.
So this is the jingle from these criminals. And whoever that posts this in that WhatsApp group should be removed from that. Anybody that knows who posted this video and the WhatsApp group where they posted it, that person that posted should be removed from that WhatsApp group because this is spies. I have one of them in my group. He was pretending to be with for USB government. For days, I questioned him to explain himself. He was before he even joined the group. He started contacting me that he's a USB government, but he want to know why is USB government office in Washington DC? Why can't they use this? He'll be asking some question that is very, very suspicious. I told him you are not for USB government, you are Ogenkere. One of the non-natives that are following Ogenkere. He said no, he's the 100% USB government. How he found his way to my WhatsApp group, I don't know. Then he continued his idiocy. I said, can you drop your voice note, your voice message, so that we know who is talking? He refused, and that is the trademark of Ogenkere people. They don't bring their voice out. Then Ogwejo, for one of our brother that actually in charge. He's one of those that are in charge of my WhatsApp group, like admin. Ogwejo for send him to where he belongs. And he came back to me, started requesting for him to be added there. I told him, no, once you drop your voice message, then we add it. Then why is it difficult for him to drop his voice message? Because he's well-known audio to Ogenkere. Maybe when he speaks, we will know who is behind that hiding. You know what I mean? And look at what they did here. So this nonsense jingle, okay, is what Akparawa is bragging about and start calling. He's just to call people's names and all that. I'm not gonna give I don't waste time on this nonsense. But let's go to the comment under the post that he made here. As you can see, this well-known certified criminal called Eunice PB, a woman of many colors. A woman who had been there, she mapped out her time to attack DPM, to attack PM, of course, DPM, of course, but PM, Simon Ekpa, she never believed in him since day one. This woman have the audacity to say, 6 hours ago, said, I have reported that idiot channel. She is a criminal. Imagine a well-known certified criminal, a street hustler, calling somebody a criminal. This one called Totos. Totos said, if it is not Briggy, it is not Briggy. Briggy said the pays, but everyone should come back under one fold for us to get our freedom. We have a government in exile with the leader, Ogechukwu Nkere, who is doing exceptionally well for Biafrans, criminals. They don't ask questions. They don't come up to answer questions. All of them, I have told you guys, can you please accept an interview with me? I will interview you because I have a question to ask you. If you can answer those questions properly, genuinely, I will follow you. Can you? You can't. Those of you, I'm not begging for anybody to come to my platform. Listen, it's a challenge actually. I'm challenging you, not begging. I'm not begging. Begging for what? I'm actually helping you because I know that a lot of you guys has so many covers, in your scores, and you actually need proper assistance. Proper assistance. Those of you that may like to accept the challenge, here is my WhatsApp number. Yeah, screenshot it. DM me here, text me. I will have a program with you. Any of you in duo, it's a new modern duos. Duos 2.0 for Ogenkere. And of course, those of you in Mamadab as well. If you think you are in the right path, come let us discuss. If you think that you are in the right path, this number, pick this number, message me, let us discuss on air, not on WhatsApp. I gave you WhatsApp so that you call me, then we'll fix a date and time. Nothing more. We will come on air, me and you, not people coming to antagonize you. We will talk. After we talk, then we open our line for your people, your supporters, and your fans to come in, and my own fan and my own supporters will come in, and we can now have decent and gentleman discussion, not an insult, not banter, but word for word, point to point, hitting the point and explaining ourselves on certain things that bring confusion. If you are not a criminal, you will not hesitate to accept this offer. But guess what? Before I even place the offer, I know you are not going to accept. You guys are cowards. Hear them because all your comments they have strength. Simon Ekpa, so this one said, the dancing not be here. I don't know what it means. Not be here from simple body movement to I beg, make I dance. I'm well bold woman. So I'm well. I don't understand what this one is writing on. From simple body movement to I beg, make I dance. I'm well. Both women display their dancing steps. VOP too much. Can you imagine? One of them is even dancing the woman up to the music. VOP TV simply the best. They are all known that their DPM has nothing to offer regarding Biafran recognition. They are all criminals. Senseless individuals. They gather themselves and they don't think. Stop this nonsense. We should focus on Biafran agitation, not competition. Do you guys ever have shame? Nabarikani is in prison, Samarapa in the prison. But what is occupying your mind is who is doing the right thing and who or not. There are over 7 terrorist group in the north, but they don't fight themselves. Right, this one is trying to make peace. Can you imagine Ogenkere, your work speak louder than voice? He said, can you imagine Ogenkere, your work speak? These are people that can never ever survive. That's why I said that the people that post that link, that jingle, knowingly and unknowingly, should be removed from the WhatsApp group. Okay? I just want to tell Sonat Akparawa and his like that no matter what you say, you remain a criminal. Okay? You remain a criminal. This one said, Chineke me, I have tried to wipe my eyes twice and still seeing the same thing. Okay, I understand you guys how you guys reason. I know how you don't reason properly. Breaking Biafran in homeland. What about this one? One that shall never end. Choose. And you guys are just so dumb. Okay, and all that. People are laughing. They can say that this blatantly violates YouTube copyright policy. The channel must be shut down without delay. Somebody's requesting to shut the channel down and without delay. What do you know about YouTube? If you monetize, if you set that video to be yours, it will work. But have you done that? I don't think so. Anyway, I just want to share this. So Akparawa, nobody is promoting you. It's actually out of curiosity that video was being played, not because anybody is promoting your garbage. How many times have you seen me playing your VOP TV that ended up in YouTube? Nobody is watching it from satellite. You claim. How many views do you have? Who are those following you? Non-entities everywhere, criminals. You think this journey? Do you think it's gonna end just now? The bat is on. If you don't know, no. If you like, create from your ATM. This is TV and radio station. Is that your problem? Is that how you gonna get your recognition? I thought you were watching it this thing. Why do you need awareness on TV and the radio? Bring the what is more important than recognition? Can't bring recognition. Let's see. Criminals everywhere. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.